Hello everyone, welcome back to Sai Sankalpam. In our previous lecture, we explored the consciousness plane and discovered that we can observe our body, our thoughts, and even our emotions. Today, we continue this fascinating journey by exploring a subject that has amazed the scientists for more than a century, the quantum plane. At first, this may sound like a difficult scientific topic, but don't worry. Today, we are not studying complex equations. We are exploring a simple but profound idea. Reality may be far more mysterious than it first appears. Let me ask you a question. Look around you, the chair you are sitting on, the table before you, your mobile phone, your own body, everything appears solid and permanent. That is how our senses experience the world. For thousands of years, people naturally believed that this was the complete picture. Then science began looking deeper. Scientists discovered molecules. Then they discovered atoms. For a long time, atoms were believed to be the smallest building block of matter. Later, scientists found that atoms themselves contain smaller particles, such as electrons, protons, and neutrons. As research continued, physicists discovered that the microscopic world behaves very differently from the world we experience in everyday life. Some quantum experiments produced results that challenged ordinary intuition. This doesn't mean that everyday reality is an illusion. It means that nature is richer and more complex than our senses alone reveal. One important lesson from modern science is this: there is always more to discover. Our current understanding continues to grow as new evidence emerges. Think of electricity. You cannot see electricity directly, yet you switch on a light and immediately experience its effects. Think of gravity. You cannot see gravity itself, yet every object falls toward the earth. Many important aspects of nature are understood through careful observation of their effects. Now let us return to our own lives. Can you see love? Not directly. Can you weigh kindness? No. Can you measure trust with a ruler? Of course not. Yet these invisible qualities shape families, friendships, and entire society. Some of the most meaningful parts of human life cannot be touched with our hands. They are known through experience. Science explores the physical universe through observation and experiment. Philosophy and contemplative traditions explore questions about meaning, experience, and consciousness. These approaches ask different kinds of questions, and together they remind us to remain curious and humble. The greatest lesson of the quantum plane is not to jump to extraordinary conclusions. It is to recognize that reality often has deeper layers than we first imagined. The more we learn, the more we realize how much remains to be discovered. Curiosity is the beginning of wisdom, an open mind is the beginning of learning, and humility is the beginning of true knowledge. As we continue this journey, let us never stop asking questions. Let us never stop observing, and let us never stop learning. In our next lecture, we shall explore another timeless question: is there an underlying order or intelligence that connects the universe? Until then, keep your mind open, keep learning. And remember, the greatest discoveries often begin with a single question. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.